Hey, good morning, everybody. We are someplace special today. So we decided to end 2020 with a bang. You know, 2020 has been a difficult year for everybody. We've all faced challenges, and in most cases, we've all strained ourselves to overcome obstacles that we didn't think that we previously could overcome. And today, I'm gonna end 2020. I'm gonna let the fear go. I'm gonna face my biggest fear here in Orlando, and today I'm gonna conquer it. We are at the Orlando Starflyer, which I am terrified of heights. And it's not the spinning, it's not the height, it's the spinning and the height combined that terrify me. But today, I'm gonna put all that aside and I'm just gonna do it because I'm not gonna leave one thing on the table in 2020. I'm gonna face my fears. So come along with me as I try not to pee my pants.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the greatest show on earth.
Felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold.
So we're back here at Icon Park. So we've shown you this park before. There's plenty of shopping and dining in this area, along with the wheel at Icon Park, which we both enjoy a lot. That's a prime example of something that is tall. I'm a little nervous on it, but you know, for the most part, we enjoy that. So it's not just the height. I think it's the height and the fact that you're only got a little tiny chain holding you up. It doesn't look that crowded today. I know the theme parks are packed today. We're a couple of days from New Year's Eve, prime time for the theme parks. So we're gonna see how long it's gonna take to get on.
Crazy for love, crazy for love.
So if I wanted to, what time are you open till tonight? Okay, so if I wanted to do one right now and like a night ride later, can I buy two in advance? Is it cheaper?
Living is beautiful with you and me. I found the miracle, I found the dream. Living is beautiful with you and me. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love.
I really don't want to do this.
Are you ready?
I really just want to back out. I mean, I've blown $12 before.
Yeah, but then you won't have the film.
So,
You can do this.
you know that feeling you get before like your first day of school, or your first day of a job or job interview, or
Yes.
I feel like that times 100 right now.
Times 100.
This would be a lot better if you come with me. Do you want to come with me?
No.
Are you sure?
Yep.
I would be much braver if you were there.
No. I'm gonna get the footage from the ground.
See, this will be the best part right here, the part where we're almost back down.
Yeah, absolutely.
Can we just skip straight to that part?
I'm afraid not. I'm afraid you'll get to experience that twice. Your favorite part. Are you sure you're ready?
No.
Just a little nervous. It'll do good to clean those arteries out.
Here between your legs.
Ooh. Okay.
So how are you feeling?
Petrified.
Are you all strapped in?
I wish this would get tighter.
It's
I
tighter.
want it tighter. Oh my God. I
Your
don't think
feet are
I've
still
ever
on the
been
ground
this-
right
I
now.
don't think I've ever been this scared in my life. Right? Honestly, I don't.
Really?
Like I'm holding back tears at this point. Oh God. Bye, baby.
Bye. See you in a little bit.
Bye, baby. Okay, so far it's not terrible, but we're getting higher, so it's getting scarier. I need these chains to be thicker so I can hold on. Woo. So, it's rather windy, it's a little chilly, the view is beautiful. I'm spinning, I don't like that. So, I'm just trying really hard not to look down. Okay, this is petrifying. Oh, I hate this so much. So much. If it wasn't for the spinning, that'd be okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, I hate this. Oh, they're down now. Oh my God. So, I don't know if you can hear me right now. Quick spinning is the worst part. So, yeah, I think if it was equally weighted, but because it's not, that part is absolutely terrifying. Because like you lose the tautness of the chains gets loose. Oh God. Other than that, it's really not terrible. I'm not sure how many more times in my life I want to do this though. I think I survived it though. Oh God. So I guess I'll give this experience a between 1 and 10. I'm gonna give it, as far as like terror factor, I'm gonna give it about an 8, but this is pretty terrifying for someone who's afraid of heights. It feels terrifying in that you only have a tiny little seatbelt on and then a little bar with a tiny little chain and not really anything to hold on to. So that's the worst part. And then again, the inward spinning that happens. It is really, really terrifying.
How do you feel?
I feel like I survived, and that's a plus.
Are you ready to do it tonight?
I mean, that's it. Really, that's a trick question because I will probably do it, but I'm not gonna like it.
Well, he's walking, ladies and gentlemen.
I was talking the whole time, so hopefully the audio was picking up while I was up there. The height is not the problem. The spinning is not the problem. None of the things that I thought would be the problem were the problem.
The problem is, the chains that you have to hold on to are tiny and you can't get a grip on them. So you feel like you're not holding on to anything. And then so the chairs are like the chair here, and they swing around. But what, I don't know if you can tell, but what happens when you're misweighted, meaning you only have one person, that it swings like this. And so every time it swings like this, the tautness in the chain loosens, and it feels like it's like it goes from tight to loose, and you got nothing to hold on to. And that feeling that you're swinging around is terrifying. Terrifying. I mean, like, I wanted to die in that moment. And because I was in the swing by myself, I think it was made worse. And I had heard that from other people before, but I thought that if you sat on the outside, it was supposed to be better, but maybe it was the inside. I don't know which one. But yeah, like, this is not something I would want to do, like, repeatedly for fun.
Okay.
But I am going to come back tonight and do it again tonight because I would like to see it at night. But yeah, I couldn't look down. I just had to look forward and concentrate on not dying and peeing. And I made it through, and I'm very proud of myself. Fear accomplished, goal done. Awesome. Once was not bad enough, evidently. I decided when I was going to do this that I was going to do it twice. I was going to do once in the day and once at night. So here's my proof. I paid for the second ticket. I'm going to go up. It's night. They just told me inside is better at night. So I don't know if better means scarier or just better, but we're about to find out. The line's a little longer, obviously, than it was earlier today. So we're in for a little bit longer wait. So this is longer. I have to sit here and think about it.
A little more anticipation.
But after this is over, it's now 9:15. We just left our friend's wedding, and it was a great event. I would have loved to have gone home, but I said I was going to do it, so I'm going to do it. So this is for you guys. This is definitely not for me. I'll see you when I get back from up there.
Are you ready for your second ride?
That was horrible.
They said it was better at nighttime.
And they lied.
So, that was. I don't know if it was just because I was more acutely aware of the movement and I know it was going to happen, so it was all I focused on. But I sat on the inside seat, so there wasn't as much whip, if that makes sense.
Right.
But I could feel the movement way more, and it, like at times, like I literally was facing the inside instead of going around the tower. I was facing the tower.
Gotcha.
And that movement is the only part that's bad. It's the swinging is not bad. The height is scary, but it's not bad. But that whip movement is just it just paralyzes me. And so, like I'm thinking the whole way up there or the whole way around, I'm like, if I can just get down, I've done it, and I never have to do this again, ever. And now, if somebody comes in town, or we have friends in town, or it's some special occasion, yeah, I could be talked into it again. Will I do it just because I want to go out and have a fun day? Hell no.
Right? But you
Not
do
happening.
suggest riding it with someone else, as in pairs.
It would be a lot better with somebody with you that you could have fun with. Now I've only done it twice by myself, so I don't know. But yeah, when there's not anybody there to oh my God with, then you're just left in your own head, and that's a scary place to be when you're frightened. I did it. I'm glad I did it. Now I can mark it on my list. 2020 is done. We got 2 days left. We're going to SeaWorld on New Year's Eve after work. Gonna have a good time. We're gonna blow out 2020, and we look forward to seeing everybody in 2021. Many more adventures to come. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart, from Jenna and myself. We've made the best of 2020. It's been a blast. So, as always, guys, if never lost, then never found.
So go get lost.
Go get lost.